Hello and welcome to Meon's latest Toolbox Tips video, where we are unpacking the new MAGMA PermaFyx L273 permanent asphalt repair system. PermaFyx L273 is the perfect solution for small defects repairs such as potholes and ironwork surrounds. And this fully cold lay system can be used both on and off highways. Providing a professional finish replicating hot lay asphalt, PermaFyx L273 blends and rejuvenates into the surrounding surface and meets all requirements for use on highways. No compaction or heavy equipment is required and cures within 30 minutes with no risk of rutting once cured. Now let's get stuck in and unpack the kit. PermaFyx L273 is supplied in a 12 kilogram bucket, along with a bag of aggregate, which is available in two sizes, 3mm and 6mm. Inside the bucket is an application guide, a mixing stick, and a sachet of 80-gram catalyst. Along with this is a 2 kilogram tin of resin, and a 10 kilogram bag of powder. So why choose PermaFyx L273? Well, this permanent asphalt repair system has a number of benefits for the end user. We refer to these as the 3 P's of PermaFyx, which stand for permanent, professional and practical. Permanent because it outlasts surrounding substrate, removing repeat defects. Secondly, no compaction required, so no risk of disturbing freshly laid mortar around ironworks. Professional, as the product's PSV texture depth and slip resistant meet highway requirements and the finish replicates hot lay asphalt. This results in the repairs blending into the surrounding surface. And practical, as no hot works are required, which improves on-site safety and sustainability. The product is easy to work with, reducing fatigue with no stiff mixes. And lastly, no large equipment required, improving efficiencies for small reactive repairs. You can check out our more detailed how-to videos if you want to see how easy it is to use this new-to-market cold lay permanent asphalt repair system. There is a wealth of information on our website www.meonuk.com, such as white papers, data sheets, brochures and plenty more. If you have any requirements for PermaFyx L273 or any permanent surface repair solutions, give us a call on 023 92 20 0606 or drop us an email at mail@meonuk.com. Thank you for watching and keep your eyes open for more Toolbox tips coming soon.